Question number 1. Which process moves substances from low to high concentration? Correct option is C. Active transport. Question number 2. Which of the following structure gives shape to the cell? Correct option is C. Cytoskeleton. Question number 3. Which organelle is responsible for lipid synthesis? Correct option is B. Smooth ER. Question number 4. Which part of the cell is selectively permeable? Correct option is C. Cell membrane. Question number 5. Which cell organelle helps in intracellular transport? Correct option is A. Endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 6. Which process involves intake of materials into the cell? Correct option is B. Endocytosis. Question number 7. Which organelle is called the brain of the cell? Correct option is B. Nucleus. Question number 8. Which structure helps in cell division in animal cells? Correct option is A. Centriole. Question number 9. Which cell structure is responsible for maintaining cell shape? Right option is A. Cytoskeleton. Question number 10. Which structure is involved in cell-to-cell communication? Correct option is A. Cell membrane. Question number 11. A segment of DNA that codes for a protein is called? Correct option is B. Gene. Question number 12. Which scientist discovered the structure of DNA? Correct option is C. Watson and Crick. Question number 13. Which division reduces chromosome number by half? Right option is B. Meiosis. Question number 14. Which is the genetic material in most organisms? Correct option is A. DNA. Question number 15. Which nitrogen base is present in RNA but not in DNA? Correct option is B. Uracil. Question number 16. Which disease is caused by mutation in hemoglobin gene? Right option is C. Sickle cell anemia. Question number 17. Which process transfers genetic information to offspring? Right option is B. Inheritance. Question number 18. Which type of twins are genetically identical? Correct option is B. Monozygotic. Question number 19. Which enzyme synthesizes DNA from RNA template? Correct option is C. Reverse transcriptase. Question number 20. Which type of inheritance shows continuous variation? Correct option is B. Polygenic. Question number 21. The study of interactions between organisms and environment is called? Correct option is A. Ecology. Question number 22. Which of the following organisms break down dead matter? Correct option is C. decomposers. Question number 23. A group of different species living together is. Right option is B. Community. Question number 24. Which interaction benefits one but does not affect other? Correct option is C. Commensalism. Question number 25. Which gas protects Earth from ultraviolet rays? Correct option is A. Ozone. Question number 26. Which level of organization includes both biotic and abiotic components? Correct option is D. Ecosystem. Question number 27. Which term describes seasonal movement of animals? Correct option is B. Migration. Question number 28. Which term describes long-term change in ecosystem? Right option is B. Succession. Question number 29. Which term describes total mass of living organisms? Correct option is A. Biomass. Question number 30. Which term describes eating up one organism by another? Correct option is B. Predation. Question number 31. Who proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection? Correct option is B. Charles Darwin. Question number 32. Which scientist used pea plants for inheritance study? Correct option is C. Gregor Mendel. Question number 33. Which factor introduces new genes into population? Correct option is B. Gene flow. Question number 34. How do substances move across membrane without energy? Correct option is B. Diffusion. Question number 35. Which organelle forms spindle fibers during cell division? Right option is B. Centrosome. Question number 36. Which type of RNA carries message from DNA? Correct option is C. mRNA. Question number 37. How many chromosomes are present in human somatic cells? The right option is C. 46. Question number 38. Which vector is commonly used in gene cloning? Correct option is B. Plasmid. Question number 39. Which organism is commonly used in genetic engineering? Correct option is B. Bacteria. Question number 40. Which phase involves rapid cell division after fertilization? Correct option is A. Cleavage. Question number 41. Which type of immunity is provided by mother to baby? Right option is B. Passive immunity. Question number 42. Which mineral is essential for chlorophyll formation? Correct option is A. Nitrogen. Question number 43. Which organism is used to produce insulin by genetic engineering? Right option is C. Bacteria. Question number 44. How many types of gametes are formed from a genotype? Correct option is B. 2. Question number 45. Which mineral is required for protein synthesis in plants? Right option is A. Nitrogen. Question number 46. How many sets of chromosomes are present in diploid cells? Correct option is B. 2. Question number 47. Which process converts light energy into chemical energy? Correct option is C. Photosynthesis. Question number 48. Which element is required for cell wall formation? Correct option is B. Calcium. Question number 49. Which disease is caused by lack of insulin? Right option is B. Diabetes. Question number 50. Which process helps remove excess water and salts from the body through skin? Correct option is C. Sweating.